Hey you guys, I am at Dollar Tree. It is Friday and I figured why not go see what's in my local store for the weekend. So I'm headed in and I hope you guys enjoy this walkthrough. And as soon as I walk in, this is what I see. A bunch of the bath bombs and some more Bolero stuff. I didn't see this in my last video. This is the lavender oil and vanilla facial wipes. Oh, this is a little different. It says cold pressed oil infused. That's kind of cool. So you have the body cream, of course, the body wash, the hand wash, the oil, and the bath soap in that fragrance. I've never heard of this one. The almond oil and manuka honey. And they have matching everything, and it also says cold pressed oil infused on this. So you have all of that. And then coconut oil and sea salt. And then I came around the corner and here's the ones that I showed in my previous video. So they still have that as well, the body cream and the body polishes. And then they also have the French lavender and citrus still. Let's see what else is down this row. Oh, look at that. The Got To Be Fantastic Instant Collagen Infused Thickening Plumping. I couldn't say that. Thickening Plumping Mousse. 8.5 ounces. That is definitely good. I don't even need any mousse, but I'm tempted to buy that. And there's only a couple on the shelf, so I know those are gonna go fast. Let's see what else. Okay, they still have these. Oh, look at this. Earth Blends. So they have the 2 bars as well as the hand soap that I just saw. That's kind of cool. I wonder how that smells. I might buy one of those. Oh. And then look at this, argan oil and avocado. And these are cold pressed oil infused as well. So they have that whole set too. I didn't see that one either. Okay. They're doing a lot already. And I barely just got in the store. Oh, here's some hair clips in that mermaid kind of color. They have the bigger ones that I see. And then a 2-pack of the small ones. Those are cute. What do I see here? Oh, they have finally made it to my area. I first seen this from my YT sister's Sensational Finds. She found these and I thought they were so cute. You have the blue, the white, and the red. These are some cute little decor. Ooh, almost knocked that one over. But those are so cute. Look at those. So over in the spring section, they brought back these cute little frogs. This one, he's laying back. Him with his mouth open. And look at him. He's just chilling on his back. These are super cute. More of the gnomes. And then up here, they have the cute little flower pot hugger figurines. And I still have mine from the past. They have the turtle, the owl, and you just sit these on your flower pot. Super cute. They have a ladybug. Look at the little bear. I have this one. And then there's the little bees and that. And then there's still some more of the fairy garden figurines. These are so cute. I don't have that pack. And I don't have this table set. These are cute. You guys, they have already started putting out the St. Patrick's Day stuff. So look at this. So you have that. These are little hats, little decor. What does that say? Does that say? Oh, I don't know. Oh, luck. I could not figure that out, you guys. L-U-C-K. The U looked like a 21. So I was like, is that 21K? I don't know, but luck. That's cute. And you got him, little movable legs, these signs. Okay, and then these right here. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Blessings. The gel clings. Look at him. And then the horseshoe. Here's some of the LED lights. Coins. Towels. There's some flowers down there. These are cute. Okay, these are new. They don't look like the ones from the previous years. And you got this set. And these. I don't know why I like buttons so much. These are cute. You get 10 of them in here. That's not bad. 10 for $1. Little bracelets. Here's some glasses. You have that shape, the ones that look like a hat, and here's a 4-leaf clover. Some light up rings. Okay, I'm trying to turn it off. Can't get it off. And then you got some boas and some neckties and headbands. I really like this one. I think this one is super cute. I like these. Then you got a little skirt, little tulle skirt, some hats down there, and then up here you got the little tie necklace, the necktie, and those. Okay, so you guys know I always have to check out the candles all the time. Okay, I saw those already. And was this the pineapple punch one? Yeah, the paper came off and it didn't really smell like anything. The jar was cute, but it didn't smell too much. These are Old Williamsburg, good vibes. Nothing new right here. Let's see. Those are the same ones. Oh, look. Speak no evil. Hear no evil, see no evil. Those are cute. And they still have some of these. And that's pretty. They got some new cute bags, the reusable bags in different ones. Spider-Man. What is this one? Oh, Jungle Patrol. So Paw Patrol. That one. Pup in a way. That is so cute. Some more Black Panthers. And oh my goodness, JoJo Siwa. But they have some cute bags. And look at this pair of socks. These are so cute. Oh my goodness, you know I have to get these. They have the cute little coffee cup with the heart, the donuts, and you get 2 pair. Then you have the polka dots. So these will be coming with me definitely. And the only other ones I see right now are those sloths with a second pair. And then those are some little cats sitting on a wire, but they're upside down. Those are cute. And I'm up here by the registers and I like these kind of books. This one is Spot the Difference. Let's see. So you have the Spot the Difference, and then I saw Seek and Find. So I'm definitely gonna get some of these. And I think there was another one. No, that was it. Just these 2, but I'm definitely gonna get these 2 right here. And you guys, look at these pins. Oh my goodness. How funny is that? I see purple and blue, and then down on a different register I see pink, but these are so funny. And by the register I found a Wonder Woman bag. How cute is that? That's the only ones I see though. Just that one, and then those down there. Okay, what is this? Dip and Grab and Go Classic Hummus and Pretzel Twist. Here's some MC Trader salsa, black bean and corn salsa, and then I see fire roasted jalapeno salsa. That sounds good but hot at the same time. Look at all them peppers. Oh my goodness. But those are the only 2 that I see. Okay guys, so I am done. I do have some of the Bolero facial wipes as well as a pair of those cute socks. But that's it. I always end this when I'm over by the food section, but I am done. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.